Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first stop over here. We back at Evergreen Health Services, man. I'm doing this this Toyota Sienna. We had to knock it out for them, man. But we got the car looking great. They had another one here for me, but I actually got to go to my first appointment. Only reason I came here this morning because they didn't have time to do it yesterday. We got the whole car done, interior, exterior, and top. But I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of the interior real quick. Really wasn't that bad. It was, but it wasn't. We got the car looking good. Vacuum in and out, like I said. Got the windows done. But I'm finna go ahead and park it. Let them know we finished. Head to my next stop, probably about 30 minutes from here. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, y'all already know what it do. I hope you're having a blessed day so far. Right now, we're just running a little bit behind. We ended up going to an appointment this morning around 7:30. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. And like I tell y'all, man, we trying to make these very small, minute changes, man, to make big changes, man. Like I say, we definitely gonna continue to push this company to reach its farthest potential that it can. And, you know, just continue doing what I'm doing, man. I know I've been slacking on my blogging like I usually, but like I said, I had to put everything into this channel, and then y'all see we'll grow the other channels. But like I said, I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Y'all see we on the interstate in a little bit of traffic right now. So I'm hoping that you get to wherever you need to get there safely, and I'm gonna get to where I need to as safe as can be. But I got 4 more appointments for the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out and just be grateful for what I have, man. Like I try to tell you, you have to be grateful, man. I have gratitude, not an attitude. And like always, man, be great, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We got the second car done today, which is this Lincoln Navigator. Lincoln have always made nice cars, but they trucks. They only make one truck, and that's this Lincoln Navigator, and they make the Aviator, but this is their flagship vehicle right here, basically, and it's a beautiful truck. It definitely compares with the Escalade and the Chevy Tahoe and things like that. But the interior of this car too is a little unique from the other car, from the way the seats are made, the way how they protrude off the seat. You know what I mean? How I put my hand in there. Man, you know, car looks good. Love the stitching. Love the seat design. Got a panoramic roof. Doors got speakers all over it. But other than that, man, we completely done here. Still got 2 or 3 more cars to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave. Already got the van packed up. But y'all already know, man. Take pride in whatever you're doing. Remember, dedication is everything. And remember, you don't need eyes to see a vision. Stevie Wonder. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do. As you see right here, this we doing a Toyota RAV4 right now. You look at the exterior of the car, really need a good cleaning. She just got my number, one of my good customers. You see the area we in, is where I'm always doing that black high country Suburban. So this lady pregnant. She said she wanted to get her car clean before the baby arrived, and I totally understand. Ain't nothing like having a baby and having a baby come to a nice clean car. So we about to work on this interior, because the exterior, the interior takes the most. Exterior car usually take about 30 to 45 minutes to wash it, depending on how big the car is and how dirty it is. But give you a quick glimpse of the interior if you see it. It's your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, stuff like that. So we gotta get in here, make sure we bring our brushes and stuff, make sure we clean this carpet very good. Make sure that she loved the work. You even see in between here and things like this. We gotta go in here, lift this up, make sure we get all in there. You see all that dirt and stuff hiding in there. So you know what I mean? So we're gonna make sure we get in there and clean that real good. Cup holder, seats, back, whole 9 yards. So even door jams, you look at the door jams pretty dirty. So we're gonna make sure that we do the job appropriately. Well, we're gonna probably charge about $150 for today's job, but I already know, man, we still got 2 more appointments after this, and I'm gonna have to let my other appointment know that I'm running just a little bit behind because of how dirty this car is. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, man. Y'all already know, stay focused, stay dedicated. Remember, consistency beats everything, hard work beats talent, and you got it. And I'll see you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what to do, man. We got the 3rd car done of the day, man. Took us a little bit of time to do it. We got here about 2:30. I mean, yeah, about 12:30. It's approximately 2:30, so it took us 2 hours exactly to do this car. But we got the car looking good. Like I said, it was a lady who was pregnant, so she about to have a baby. So we made sure we got the car up the stairs. We got the carpet looking immaculate. We made sure we got in here and swept it. Vacuumed it real good. We actually shampooed a little bit of the carpet. Make sure we let her condition the seats and things of that nature. But we got the car looking immaculate. It smells immaculate in here. She's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. You know what I mean? But on no note, man, I'm about to go ahead and head to my next stop. I already had 1 stop. I was supposed to be at her house at 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'm running way behind. But she already got to reschedule because of the rain tomorrow. And another person already rescheduled Thursday because of the rain tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and get to my next stop, man. That'll be my last car today unless somebody called me, said they want their car done. But other than that, continue to be great. And we're going to be great together. And I'll catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do. We finished the last car today. We actually just finished it, man. Definitely been a beautiful day, man. Like I tell you, man, I'm so blessed. So blessed to be able to have these opportunities in this work, man. You know, not too many people have these opportunities and may not, like I tell you, we as underprivileged people sometimes may not know what the opportunity is, so we just let it go over our head or just pass us by. So I'm trying to tell y'all, pay attention to every opportunity or anything, any information somebody brings to you, even though it may not seem that it's prevalent to you at that moment, but just take heed of it, man. You never know. But like I said, we just did this car right here. Right now the weather is 69 degrees. It's actually beautiful out here. It's actually 4:24. We had another appointment, but like I said, they canceled due to the rain tomorrow. But you already know how they go. I still take pride in whatever I do. And like I try to tell people, I take pride in whatever you got going on. Remember, you only got 1 life, so you got to make sure you make the right choices, man. You know what I mean? So just make sure you make the choices that's going to get you to where you want to be. And like I always say, 1 love. Gotta love yourself, man. Remember, ain't nobody gonna love you if you don't love yourself. You can't get that true love if you don't love yourself. And like always, man, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.